Hello everyone. In this question, it is said that a large car collides head-on with a small compact car. During the collision, which of the following is true and why? So here, 5 options are given. Out of 5, which one is correct? We need to find out. So now let's see the answer. So according to Newton's third law of motion, we can written as from here. According to Newton's third law of motion, we can say that every action there is